Today, let's make a super crispy and flavorful South Indian side dish, raw banana fry or Aratikaya fry, but with a healthy twist because we are baking it. You can also fry them if you like so. Start with 2 medium-sized raw bananas. Peel the bananas and slice them into thin rounds or semicircles. If you want crispier results, then slice them thinner. Now soak the slices in salted turmeric water for about 10 minutes. This process helps cut down the stickiness and slight bitterness. Drain well and gently pat them dry with a kitchen towel after 10 minutes. Time to flavor it up. In another bowl, add the banana slices along with 1.5 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon each of cumin and coriander powder, salt to taste, and 1.5 tablespoons of besan for that extra crispiness. If you don't have besan, you can use rice flour as well. Mix everything thoroughly so that each and every slice is nicely coated with the masala mix. I'm using my hands to do this process. Now preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking tray with parchment paper or lightly grease it. Spread the slices in a single layer, not to overlap. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping the slices halfway through. And there you go, crispy golden raw banana crisps are ready. Enjoy them hot with rice and sambar, or you can even munch as a crunchy tea time snack. If you want extra flavor, chop some curry leaves and garnish. Sprinkle some chaat masala or squeeze in a bit of lemon juice just before serving. Healthy, easy and packed with flavor. Give this a try and let me know how it turned out in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.